Well, I will let you my 3 golden rules about learning. First, learning is an experience, not a download. It's necessary to involve the students in the learning approach. They are not subjects to whom we have to provide content, but they must be engaged in the experience. In which way depends on you, the teacher, on them, the students, on the topics, on the environment and so on, and the design of the experience is fundamental. Second, learning happens everywhere and every time. Why to limit ourselves as teachers? And why to limit the possibilities offered by different strategies? We must open our fantasy, evaluating without ab initio restrictions what may the best way to reach the learning goals, even going out of classical schemes. And third, learning takes care of materials and methods. Designing the learning experience in an innovative way doesn't mean a simple analogical to digital conversion, from book to e-book, from chalk to slides, from ex cathedra to video, but the choice of the appropriate combinations of materials and methods in order to make learning achievements more effective and more efficient. Enjoy!